Running True Street tomorrow. These are naturally aspirated Hondas with no rules, no fuel rules, no power riders, all motor, no rules, run what you brung, 10,000 to win, round one, right here.
All right, so here you go, Butts Creek. This is the first round of elimination at the Haltech World Cup Finals presented by Whiteco. As they say, two go down, only one come back. Adrian Alicia was the number 2 qualifier. The Drive Shaft Shop sponsorship on board in the left-hand lane.
That's right, one of the Prelude 2 racing machines there, the Drive Shaft Shops you see on board. His opponent here, Mahmoud Aglan, with that 92 Honda Civic. These things are right into a 30-40% nitro. These things are 90 to 100% in a lot of cases, so keep an eye on this. This could be some of the most exciting stuff that you'll see here this week.